Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the Instagram app is updated. This avoids missing sleep mode features. Open your profile, then tap the menu and go to Settings, right arrow Privacy. Once there, locate sleep mode and tap to begin setup. You're doing this now because timing and permissions matter. Sleep mode needs access to your activity status and DMs. Make sure notifications are enabled for quick testing. If they are off, sleep mode may not show expected behavior when active. Now configure the core options. Choose a schedule or opt for manual activation when you want immediate quiet. Tap to set start and end times. This automates sleep mode so you don't forget. Next, pick who can message or reply. You can allow everyone, followers, or only people you follow back. Once done, enable auto-reply and write a short away message that explains when you'll return. These choices control visibility and interruptions, so be deliberate about exceptions and tone. Activate sleep mode manually or wait for the scheduled start. You should see a subtle status on your profile or in DM threads indicating you're in sleep mode. Once activated, test using a second account to ensure messages are limited and auto-replies send correctly. If something fails, make sure the app is updated, then clear the app cache or reinstall. That typically fixes permission and display glitches. If problems persist, double-check notification and privacy settings, then
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.